Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Crazy Kunal in the house. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make Maggi. Let's just jump right into it, shall we? Ignore my helmet outfit, which is kind of weird, of course. Firstly, we'll be needing some Maggi and masala packets. So firstly, we'll be lighting the gas over here. I'm placing this on the gas. Full speed. So now since the water is boiling, I'll be adding the Maggi pieces in it. So let's just divide and conquer, as the old saying goes. There you go. It's dividing like so. Now let's cut the masala packet and pour it into the mixture. There you go. Let's just mix it up. Don't feel like the water is sufficient, so I'll add some more water. So we felt that it's a bit less, so we have added some more masala to spice things up a bit. So that's it. Maggi is ready. There you go. Chal. Ama, ఇంకెంతసేపు